Now it is over, the midnight funeral that parts the old year from the new. And now, beneath each pew, the warden dives to find forgotten missiles, scraps of resolutions and medals. And over lost souls in the graves, amid the tangled leaves, the wagtail is singing. Cheep, 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 the new year is coming. Christ will come again. The church bell is ringing. Christ will come again after the argument in heaven. Christ, Nicodemus, Magdalene, ding dong ding. And the age rolls on like a wind-glassed flood, and the pilgrimage to the cross is the void. And into time, time slips with a lazy pace, and time into time. And need we wait while time and the hour roll, waiting for power? To wait is to linger, with the hope that the flood will flow dry. To hope is to point an expectant finger at fate, fate that has left long us to lie marooned on the sands, left with dry glands to suckle as die. Wait indeed. Wait with grief-laden hearts that throb like a diesel engine, throbbing with hopes. Those hopes of men, those hopes that are nowhere, those nebulous hopes, sandcastles in the air. Wait and hope. The way is weary and long, and time is fast on our heels, or forces life to a headlong conclusion. Where then are the roots? Where the solution to life's equation? To wait is to linger, with the hope that the flood will flow dry. To wait is to linger, with the hope that the flood will flow dry.